What are the main schools of thought in environmental ethics? Have you ever wondered how our values shape our relationship with the environment? The field of environmental ethics dives into this question, exploring how we ought to treat nature. There are several key schools of thought that help us understand these moral considerations. First, we have Anthropocentrism. This viewpoint places humans at the center of moral concern. It suggests that nature has value mainly based on its usefulness to people. Decisions are made with human interests in mind, focusing on what benefits us the most. Next is biocentrism. This perspective expands moral consideration beyond humans to all living beings. It argues that every life form, whether animal or plant, has intrinsic worth. Biocentrism challenges the idea that only human needs matter, recognizing the rights of individual living beings. Then we move to ecocentrism and deep ecology. Ecocentrism broadens our concern to entire ecosystems, including non-living elements like rivers and mountains. Deep ecology takes this further, emphasizing the value of the whole natural world. It calls for a shift in how we view nature, promoting a spiritual connection and recognizing the interconnectedness of all life. Social ecology connects environmental issues to social problems. It argues that environmental degradation often stems from social inequalities and unjust power structures. Advocates suggest reorganizing society into more equitable communities that respect nature. Ecofeminism links the exploitation of nature with the oppression of marginalized groups, particularly women. This approach highlights how social injustices and environmental harm are intertwined. It promotes an ethics that seeks both ecological sustainability and social justice. Finally, there is moral pluralism in environmental ethics. This perspective accepts that no single ethical theory can address all environmental issues. Instead, it recognizes multiple valid ethical principles, allowing for flexibility in applying different approaches to various problems. In the context of moral relativism and pluralism, environmental ethics acknowledges that values can differ across cultures. This understanding helps navigate conflicts between protecting nature and pursuing economic growth. Each school of thought offers a unique lens through which we can view environmental challenges. These schools of thought shape environmental policies and guide conservation efforts. For example, deep ecology and social ecology emphasize systemic changes for sustainability. Meanwhile, anthropocentrism might focus on managing resources for human benefit. Moral pluralism encourages using diverse ethical tools to balance competing interests in decision-making. Understanding these schools of thought provides a framework for reflecting on our interactions with the environment. It highlights the moral complexities involved in balancing ecological health, social justice, and economic development.